Hello, today we show how to install and activate the license for the WP Dark Mode. Click on Add New of the Plugin section. Now type the WP Dark Mode. Then click on Install and click on the Activate button. After the activation, this is what the settings will look like. Click on Get WP Dark Mode Pro and you will be taken to the main site. Click on Pricing to select your option and fill out all your billing information. Next, log into your account where you will get the license keys in the My License section. Click on Downloads to download the Pro version of the Dark Mode plugin. After downloading the plugin, click on Add New, Upload Plugin, and choose the file to upload the Pro version of the WP Dark Mode. Click Install now, then click on Activate License to complete the activation, and you should be able to enjoy the full feature of WP Dark Mode. As you can see, when clicking on the Dark Mode widget, the whole site will turn dark based on your preferred color. And that's it. If you like this feature, download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free, or contact us at support@wppool.dev.